Let's talk about tracks. And no, I'm not talking about doggy tracks. And I'm not talking about train tracks either. I am talking about ship tracks. Now, you're probably wondering, ship tracks, what are those? Well, why don't you see for yourself? If you look at this image of the Earth, you'll see the usual: water, land, and clouds. But if you look closely enough, you'll see little strips of unordinary clouds. These strange clouds appear longer, skinnier, and brighter, and resemble the contrails of airplanes. We call these ship tracks. To understand ship tracks, you need to understand clouds. Cloud particles form when water vapor condenses on aerosols, or tiny airborne particles that act as seeds or nuclei for cloud molecule formation. Now, normally natural aerosols like dust or sea salt help to form clouds, but for the past couple of decades, humans have been adding a new aerosol: sulfate particles that come from the burning of fossil fuels, or in other words, air pollution that can come from the burning of fuel for ships. Ship track particles are different because they are smaller and they are in greater abundance. The water particles in ship tracks are so packed together that they reflect more sunlight and appear brighter. Does this mean that air pollution from ships can cure global warming by making Earth brighter and more reflective? Well, the answer is probably no. The same air pollution produces many molecules of greenhouse gases that will most likely keep temperatures on the rise. Ship tracks also affect the amount of precipitation. Rain forms when water molecules join together and create larger water molecules that are heavy enough to fall from the sky. Ship track molecules, however, are so tiny that they rarely form precipitation. Scientists at NASA are now using a satellite called MODIS, or Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer, to collect data and images on phytoplankton levels, land cover, cloud cover, and aerosols. Although ship tracks are not a significant source of pollution, scientists are using MODIS to study ship tracks in order to measure the effects of fossil fuel emissions on cloud formation, an important factor in understanding global warming.